Hi there. Have you ever wondered where this name InfoClone actually came from? What does it actually mean? Was it that easy to put just information and cloning together and make this name InfoClone out of it? No man, इसके पीछे भी एक कहानी है. चलो आज बताता हूँ. बताता हूँ. इतना क्यों थक रहे हो? पहले चैनल का इंट्रो टेम्पलेट तो देख लो. By the way, welcome to my channel.
Look how my mind plays.
Little bit of fame, little bit of hate, little bit of change. Watch the craze, keep it sane, don't fade away.
Look how my mind plays.
So yeah, when I shifted to Pune, I was in ninth class. So at that time, TCS used to organize an IT quiz in which they used to invite all the schools. And the school used to select some 10-15 meritorious student of there and used to send them for that to participate in that TCS IT quiz. So when I was in 9th class, I didn't get a chance to attend that because तब मैंने अपना जौहर नहीं दिखाया था. So first time when our school went to that competition, they came back with a prize, with a tag which is called the best cheering award prize. And trust me, they got this big jars of chocolate, full of chocolate, 2-3 jars for that. So I was really intimidated by that to attend that next time. When I got a chance to attend that competition, I went there. The moment I got out of the bus, I was starstruck because there were so many geeks walking around. बड़े uncle type बच्चे full on suit में घूम रहे हैं. I mean those schools such as Don Bosco, then Gurukul, APS, Army Public School students, they were all roaming around and we were literally starstruck. हम साले वहाँ पे मतलब केंद्रीय विद्यालय के बच्चे व्हाइट शर्ट एंड ब्लू पैंट में घूम रहे. ढंग से अंग्रेजी भी नहीं आती थी तभी, अभी भी नहीं आती है, वो अलग बात है, बट दैट टाइम उतनी भी नहीं आती थी. एंड हाँ, दोस गुरुकुल की गर्ल्स, मैन, ओ माय गॉड, दे वर सो बोल्ड एंड ब्यूटीफुल. डैम, होली मदर ऑफ गॉड. Okay, sorry, I got distracted. So they used to rent auditoriums for that competition, to organize that competition. So the moment we went in, we were told that you need to sit in groups of 2. We were supposed to give a unique name to our group, and the group with the best name will win a prize for that. So उस टाइम बेवलेट बहुत चल रहा था, तो फाइनली we zeroed down to a name called Demolition Boys. The Demolition Boys. Now how kiddish was that? Obviously we didn't win the prize because of obvious reasons. As far as I remember, the people who won were having the name like Error 404 and all. So yeah, we attended that competition. Burger खाया, juice पिया, cake खाया, and घर वापस आ गए. उससे ज़्यादा तो कुछ हमसे हुआ नहीं. This was the story of the first year. Then next time I was really determined कि भाई अब कुछ जीते ना जीते, वो best group name award तो जीतना ही है. So I was thinking and आलतू फालतू नाम दिमाग में आ रहा था. Finally I asked my dad कि पापा एक नाम बताओ अच्छा सा. I actually pleaded in front of him for that, to give me a good name. He didn't tell me that day. Then the next morning he came and told that the name of your group should be InfoClone. So I was mighty impressed by that name, and बहुत चौड़ा होके गया मैं next year contest में, in that IT quiz. And guess what? I came to know कि उस साल से that best group name वाला contest was खत्म. मतलब bad luck भी यार कुछ चीज होती है. Then they didn't keep that contest anymore. I mean that best name contest anymore. So I was really depressed. And then I thought कि जब अगर ये कॉन्टेस्ट नहीं जीता तो एटलीस्ट बेस्ट चीयरिंग अवार्ड वाला कॉन्टेस्ट तो पक्का लेके जाएंगे. वी वर सो एलिटेड कि अब तो फाड़ देंगे, ये कर देंगे, वो कर देंगे. Meanwhile, the coordinator told that the amount of noise you make will be inversely proportional to your chances of winning the best cheering group award. Obviously, we didn't give a fuck to him and we were shouting like assholes. When we were given the break, lunch break, we made big banners and were shouting like shit. Yeah, matlab cheering the schools, those who made up to the stage, we were cheering them. And then when the time came for the announcement of that best cheering award, it was given to a bunch of students who were listening to music and were having their headphones on for the entire time the quiz went on. They were so lazy that when they were called upon the stage, उन्हें पता भी नहीं चला that they won it. They were still sleeping. Somehow they came to the stage to collect those toffee jars. And again, we have to come back home depressed because we didn't win anything. So yeah, that was all about it. That's how the name InfoClone came into picture. Okay. So if you want any further justification on this, do leave a comment down below. And mind you, अगर ये vlog को छोड़ के गुरुकुल की लड़कियों के बारे में कमेंट किया ना, मारूंगा पारोगे किक को. ठीक है? Okay then. This is InfoClone signing off. Until next time. Bye bye. चाओ बहुत बार बोल दिया यार. By the way, many vlogs and long ride videos are coming. Let the temperature drop a little bit. Let it rain. Then I'll show you Lonavala, Lavasa, Malshed Ghat, Mahabaleshwar. And then we will slowly switch to long rides. I mean, I have plans of doing a Pune-Bangalore ride since my sister lives there. I won't be doing it in one day. I don't have that much stamina. I'll be doing it in 2 days, I guess, 400 kilometers per day. That's how I plan to do it. So, stay tuned for that. Stay subscribed. And show some love, man. Show some love. This ain't easy shit to do. World Terrific बनना है भाई अपने को. World Terrific अपना चाचा है. उसको देख के तो अब spam card भी बनवा लिया भाई. Also gave away just what? 15 or 20 cards out of the 100 that I printed. हिम्मत ही नहीं होती देने की. The kind of videos I make. कुछ standard तो तब तो दूं लोगों को चौड़ा होके. ये videos बना के मैं लोगों को spam cards दूं and tell them to subscribe. You kidding me, bro? They'll shoot eggs and tomatoes on me.